Thanks for choosing Enclo Savannah louvered Privacy screen. In this video, we'll show you how to put it together step by step. The whole process takes about an hour and it's easiest with 2 people. Use a flat surface so nothing gets scratched or lost. Start by unpacking everything and laying the parts out where you can see them. You'll have 3 posts, bottom and top rails, a set of slats, anchors, screws, and joiner clips if you're connecting more than one screen. The tools you'll need are a drill with a Phillips bit and a mallet with a wood block. Place the center post flat on the ground, with the top end braced against a wall. This keeps the post steady and gives you something solid to press against. Now begin sliding the slats into the grooves of the center post, one at a time, pressing towards the wall as you go. The slats don't have to be perfectly centered yet. You'll adjust them evenly in the next step. Identify top and bottom rails. The top rail has a connector. Once all the slats are in the center post, carefully rotate the assembly so a side post can be braced flat against the wall. This way, you'll continue working with pressure toward the wall, which keeps everything square and prevents bowing. Slide the slats and rails into the grooves at the first side post. The bottom rail will take pressure to snap into place. Then for the second post, begin with the slats, not the rails. Make micro adjustments to insert the slats from your second post and make sure they are not pulled out from the first post. Once your slats are in both posts, line up the rails to be inserted. Then tap or apply pressure to the back of the second rail. You can use your hand or a rubber mallet. Once the posts are on, go back and fasten the rails to the post with screws. Just snug them up, no need to over-tighten. Flip the panel over and add the screws on the back side. Having a second person here makes it a lot easier. Next, attach the anchors to the bottom of each post. Secure them with the smaller screws. Do this while the panel is still flat. It's the most stable way to install them. Keep your drill straight so the anchors sit flush with the posts. Take your assembled screen to the spot where it's going. Set the anchors on the ground where you want the posts. If the soil is tough, loosen it with water or use a drill auger. Tap the posts in gently with your mallet and block and check that everything stays level. Connecting more than one panel? Use joiner clips to fasten them together for a seamless look. Line everything up first, then tighten all the screws once the run is straight. And that's it! Your Savannah louvered screen is installed. For extra help, scan the QR code on your box or contact our support team. Thanks for choosing Enclo, and enjoy your new space.